It's good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Miss Nilima, please mute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hey, where are others today? The strength is very less. Only 40 attendees are there.
Ma'am, there are two meetings more, and some of us are there.
Okay. Which, which type of meeting? Another meeting is there also? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
for?
Someone started the meeting.
मैम, उसमें तो आप ही का नाम आ रहा है, started by you.
Okay, fine. Okay, so they will be also joining later on. Fine. Yes, some of these students are all still they are joining. Okay, now our time is already started. So we should now begin our class. Good afternoon once again to all of you. We should start our class with this unit second, first subtopic. Last time we have completed this one, rich cultural heritage. That topic was really very small, and we have completed that topic within one class. Today we will begin with this means first subtopic, but second topic is also there apart from this first subtopic, diversity in Indian society. Okay, diversity in Indian society, you know very well that, and you are very well familiar with this terminology, diversity, right? Can you explain me this? What do you mean by this diversity?
Ma'am, diversity means in Gujarati we call it as Anekta. So people following different religion, culture, tradition,
Okay.
regions as well, belonging
Yes.
to different regions,
Yes.
languages.
Hmm. Very good. Yes. What else? Nilima, Kinjal, you want to say something? Yes. Ila.
विविधतामा एकता.
Yes. Vividhitama Ekta. That is called unity in diversity. Okay. That is one of the, it's a one type of expression which is used in India. Particularly, India is a secularism state. We can also say that it's a country and state also, because there are various types of states in which various types of cultures, dressing styles, their religion, even region, that is totally different from each other. Okay, that's why we can also
And
call
food,
them.
ma'am.
Sorry.
भोजन.
Yes. Bhojan also, yes, it's a food. Yes, food style, even their living style also, that is totally different. Even climate wise also, right? Climate is also totally different from each and every state wise also, even language also different. So today we will begin with this diversity uh, in Indian society. And, yes, Karisma Sukla, please mute yourself. Karisma Sukla. Okay, so today we will just go through it in a very brief manner. We will see this one, diversity in Indian society, as we have discussed that unity in diversity. So diversity means, generally we can say that it's a it is in Gujarati Vividita. It is Vividita. Okay, and unity in diversity, that means the Vividitama Ekta. Fine. So it is generally used in India, and India is a very complex country also, because it consists of various types of states and various types of languages. Wise state is also having, and their food style and all, and even region and religion is it is also totally different. Their dress styles and food style also totally different. So we will just go through it, and only the brief. Hello. Hello, Karisma. Karisma, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. मैम कुछ error हो रहा है. Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so right now I'm sharing the screen with you. Now I think it is visible. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
just go through it in a brief manner, and today itself we will try to finish this one also. So diversity in Indian society generally, we can say that, as I already told you, yes, diversity of India, it is truly a complex nation. And why it is complex? Because it is often referred to as an subcontinent. Okay, various types of regions are there, their environment, their atmosphere, it is totally different. And even you are very well familiar that there is too much population is also there in our Indian country. Okay, very much diversity is also there. Vividta means differences are also seen in our Indian society. And yes, its population finds the enormous pride and our joy also. है ना? Yes. So this one is the general. Yes, some of the people are waiting. Okay. We will see this one. Some of the things in a very short while. The following, that is the part of this introduction in the diversity of. I told you, yes, geographical wise, even religion wise also, races wise also. है ना, races means is it's a group of people. है ना, जैसे कि for example, if we are staying in Baroda, so generally the people are saying like these Barodians. Okay, then if the people are staying in Surat, so the people are saying that like Surti Lala is also there. Okay, so Asians are also there, Africans are also there. So these type of races can be also seen. Okay, now moving further, the next slide. This one is the concept part. It is very simple. Now we will talk about this diversity of religion wise also. If we see the virtual wise also, every religion has a strong connection with India, and you know very well that India is consist of various types of races wise also. है ना, कई लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि क्रिश्चियंस पहले आए, कई लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि यस बुद्धिज्म पहले आए, है ना, इवन Zoroastrianism also, even some of the saying are Hinduism is also there. So Hindus are also coming first also. So many people, they are saying that yes, we have started with this one. And हमसे ही India शुरू हुआ है, just like that. So they are saying that virtually every religion has a strong connection with India, including Christianity is also, even Jesus, as per the claim of this Jesus also, Jesus Christ. They have also said that yes, in the earlier years, we have started this one. Even Buddhism also, even Sikhism also, and Jainism also, even Zoroastrians also. Okay, so since 600 BC in India, they are also staying here, and the most of these Zoroastrians and Christianities and Jainisms are found in generally in India. There are so many numbers of peoples are there. Okay, but in our Indian society, generally we can also say that God is Indian. Why we are saying God is Indian only? See, generally we are also saying that, है ना, कि if we talk about Indian society also, if we talk about Indian country wise also, and if we talk about the some of the western countries also. Okay, કઈ લોકો ऐसा भी बोलते हैं ना, ગુજરાતીમાં એવું કહે છે ને કે જે જ્યોતિર્લિંગ થયા 12 જ્યોતિર્લિંગ કેમ ખાલી ઇન્ડિયામાં જ થયા, है ना, जनरली वी आर सेइंग लाइक दैट आल्सो, है ना, जैसे कि कोई भी मतलब कोई भी गॉड है या गॉडेस है, why they are creating only their existence only in Indian society also, है ना, खाली इंडियन सोसाइटी में ही क्यों गॉड हुए या फिर गॉडेसेस हुए. Fine. So generally we are saying like that it's a very complex country, and yes, still so many religions are there, so many races are also there, but still the God is Indian. And India is the most religious country in the world, and a profile of India is great religions and influence of some of the foreign faiths also. Even in Dubai also, they are also saying like India is a very vast country. It is consist of so much population is also there. God is also there. So they are also coming here, and they also visit some of the places also. Fine. So there are numerous cults in India, and each practices of their ideologies and interpretation of the religion is totally different from each other. So if we talk about this religion wise also, generally we are saying that God is only one, है ना, and we believe in God, है ना, कोई भी God हो, fine, whether it is related with Jainism, Buddhism, या फिर Muslim is also there. Okay, but God is Indian. We are also saying like that. Fine. So this one is the diversity of religion wise also. Now moving further towards the next slide. Diversity of languages. Yes, है ना, ગુજરાતીમાં generally કહેવાય છે ને કે ગાવે ગાવે બોલીઓ બદલાય. Okay, means if we are staying
બાર
here,
ગાવે બોલી બદલાય.
બાર ગાવે બોલી બદલાય. Yes, exactly. Yes, ગુજરાતીમાં કંઈક આવું બોલાય. Fine. So બાર ગાવે બાર બોલી બદલાય મતલબ અલગ અલગ સ્ટેટે અલગ અલગ બોલી બદલાય. Fine. So there is no such thing as an Indian language. So by some counts, there are over 200 languages in India also, almost 1600. And includes dialects and all, है ना, वो तो generally जो भी अपने तरह से बोलते हैं, that is okay. But mostly the 200 languages used in India. And yes, exactly. Imagine if you imagine about the nation wise also, the population does not understand their national anthem or the president's address to the nation. That's why, है ना, that is the India for you. So generally we can also say that this is just the concept of this diversity of languages. We will only just the focus of as per their communication wise. The language is totally different from state to state, and it is also consist of our Indian country. Okay, now the Indian currency is also, you know very well that it is also printed in 15 languages, है ना, 15 languages, अलग-अलग भाषा में, अलग-अलग languages में वो भी printed हो चुकी है. Even most form like job applications and tax forms in India are hence printed in 3 languages also, in English, Hindi, and generally the prominent language is also there, है ना, Bengali language is also there. Even Keralian is also there. So different types of languages are also there. Punjabi language is also there. So different types of local language which they are using, the forms are also available in that particular state wise also. See, in the last, in each and every last one is there, see languages of India. So you can just go through it, and if you want to attend, or if you want to receive some more information regarding these languages of India, you can just go through it. This one slide site is also there, and the list of languages are also available in this website. Okay, now coming towards the cultural diversity. The land of India has given the way to a rich potpourri. Potpourri means, we will also discuss regarding that also. Potpourri of social habits, festivals, and customs also. And to appreciate the Indian culture, an introduction to the religious heritage of India is very necessary. Okay, the land of India has given a way to a rich potpourri. Potpourri means, generally we can also say that it's a potpourri ball is also there, है ना, potpourri ball जैसा कुछ होता है. See, this one word you can just go through on internet and you can just see it. It's a consist of various types of petals, है ना, flower petals are also there. To make them very in a smelling power is also there, है ना, कुछ smell आती है, कुछ to create a particular perfume, है ना, कुछ ऐसा कुछ बाउल होता है, उसमें मिक्स ऑफ द फ्लावर पेटल्स आर देयर, है ना, कुछ સુગંધી, પેલા સુગંધી ફ્લાવર્સ કહીએ ને, તેનાથી આપણે જે પરફ્યુમ આપણે ક્રિએટ કરીએ ને, that is called the potpourri. Okay, so India is also just like that, कि ઇન્ડિયામાં પણ આ બધું મિક્સ જ હોય છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓલ્સો ઇફ યુ કેન સી દેટ ઇન યોર સરાउंडिंग्स ऑल्सो इफ यू आर स्टेइंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी ओके जो भी आप सोसाइटी में भी रह रहे हो उसमें भी आप देखना कोई एक कास्ट का नहीं होगा ओके ओके इवन कोई एक लैंग्वेजेस का भी पर्टिकुलर बहुत नहीं होंगे है ना बहुत मिक्स लैंग्वेजेस के पीपल भी मिलेंगे इवन देयर लैंग्वेजेस आर आल्सो देयर फूड स्टाइल इज आल्सो देयर ओके इवन देयर कल्चर इज आल्सो देयर एंड वी आर एंजॉयिंग है ना एवरी टाइम कि हाँ पर्टिकुलर जैन लोग है तो उनका जो भी फेस्टिवल आता है वी आल्सो एंजॉय दैट इवन हिंदू का भी जो त्योहार आता है वी आल्सो एंजॉय दैट ओके सो basically India is consist of various types of people also various types of population also it's just like a potpourri okay so potpourri is also consist of these social habits festivals and customs wise also है ना हर एक बंदा it is also from the particular race wise also and race as I already talked with you race is a consist of the group of the people okay group of the people in the same language wise also in the same religion wise also okay so their customs their religions their beliefs it is totally mostly same religions are also there and their habits are also even festivals are also same so it's one kind of potpourri means it's a mix of people all together in a one bowl or in a one society okay so we can also say that in one Indian country okay so cultural diversity is also there and to appreciate that particular Indian culture an introduction to the religion heritage of India is very necessary okay India has a very rich native or tribal culture also as we have also discussed in our earlier class also yes if you have seen that particular people Adivasi people yeah, their culture is also totally different. Even their food style is also totally different. Their wearing style है ना कैसे वो कपड़े भी पहनते हैं. Fine. Even they are also dancing. Their dancing style is also totally different from us also. Their language is also totally different. How they talk, how they live. Okay, how they deal with other people. That is totally different. Okay, so India has also very rich native or tribal culture is also there. So these are the websites which you can refer it if you want to go in a very detailed manner. Okay, so cultural diversity is also there. Now coming towards the next slide, diversity of dresses. Okay, perhaps India remains the only country where unstated clothing is still popular. See, generally in India, we can also say that most of the people, they are wearing sari, lungi, dhoti, turbans. Generally, they wear this type of clothing. Okay, but sari, जैसे particularly if we talk about our Gujaratis, है ना Gujarati sari, their style of wearing it is totally different. Gujarati sari जे पहले that is totally different. Even Maharashtrian sari it is also totally different. Even in Keralian also they also wear the sari but their style is totally different. Even lungi wise also, है ना गुजरात में लुंगी के भी रीते पहनाए. Means in the Keralian also the lungi is also wear at by those people also, but their lungi is totally different. Even dhoti wise is also totally different. Okay, so generally this is the clothing style. It is very popular and generally the people wear this type of clothing in our Indian society and it is also differ in state to state wise. Okay, even second point if you see that the tailor Indian clothing includes the salwar, kameez, even collarless jackets also, even kurtas also, western attires also. Attires means paherves. Okay, attires for both women and men. So generally the salwar and kameez, you can see that most of the people wear in India. Even jackets also and kurtas also and a dress also. So many types of even headgear are also prevalent in India. It includes the rumals, टोपीज एंड टर्बन्स ऑल्सो है ना हर एक की अलग अलग स्टाइल होती है फाइन सो રૂમાલ दे ऑल्सो वेयर ऑन પેલા અમુક લોકો પેલું કેવું ખભા પર નાખે ને શોલ્ડર પર અમુક લોકો રૂમાલ માથા પર બાંધે છે હે ને જેમ કે તમે જુઓ ખેડૂતો જનરલી they are also wearing this type of clothing is also there. Even turbans and topis also. Topi is also totally different. They wear the different types of topis at different state wise also. Okay, so diversity of dresses, it's done. Now coming towards the next slide. India as a state is divided into the four geographical regions also. Okay, you may see that on the screen. There are various types of regions, है ना, अलग-अलग है, सब जगह पे अलग-अलग है. Even state-wise also it is totally different. The Great Himalaya mountain ranges is also there. ત્યાં પેલી જે હિમાલયની ગિરિમાળાઓ તમે જે જુઓ છો એ આખી અહીંયા કરતા એમનું આખું એટમોસ્ફિયર જે એમનું એન્વાયરમેન્ટ આખું ટોટલી ડિફરન્ટ જ હોય છે અને તમે ચારે તરફ જુઓ પહાડ જ પહાડ જોવા મળે મીન્સ માઉન્ટેન્સ આર ઓલ્સો ધેર. Okay, the Indo-Gangetic plains are also there. Even the desert region is also there. Okay, and the peninsula. Peninsula means generally we can say that it is an area in which it is consist of surrounding the rivers, and rivers are also there. So much water is also there. Okay, so peninsular region of the south also. So generally we can also say that there are four types of geographical regions are there, and in each and every region wise the environment or atmosphere is totally different from each other. है ना, हर एक जगह पे आप देखो जनरली वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट इन द नॉर्थ, है ना, नॉर्थ में ज्यादातर ठंडी रहती है. फाइन, इवन इन साउथर्न स्टेट्स ऑल्सो, साउथ में आप जो देखो साउथर्न स्टेट्स में बेसिकली द એટમોસ્ફિયર ઇઝ ટોટલી વોર્મફુલ, है ना, कुछ હુંફાળું હોય છે એ રીતનું. Fine. So, four types of geographical regions are also there, and India is also consist of these four types of geographical regions. These are the four major geographical regions are there. वैसे तो बहुत देखा जाए तो बहुत सारे हैं. Fine. Next one, see, as we have seen this one, the Great Himalaya mountain ranges are there. So first of all, we will see one by one. This is one of the most desirable place for the trekkers. Generally, trekkers are also seen at that time and at that place also, and mountaineers also. वहाँ पे कुछ trekkers और mountaineers बहुत दिखते हैं. This type of Himalayas, mountain ranges are also there, and yes, Himalayas ranges which extends along the India's northern and northeastern border in 2004 is also there. So the area is also Great Himalaya. Himalayas are also tallest mountain system in the world, है ना, इस यहाँ से ऊंचा कोई भी नहीं है, मतलब हिमालय में ही बहुत सारी रेंजेस और वो सब है. Fine. So this is just the brief introduction about these Great Himalaya mountain ranges. Okay. Now next one is the Indo-Gangetic plains. Indo-Gangetic plains is generally lies in the Himalayas. हिमालय के आसपास ही होगा वो भी, but Himalayas and the southern peninsula, which includes the valley of Brahmaputra and the Gangas and the Indus River and their branches wise also. आप पूरे आजू बाजू वो भी देखो, उसके बहुत सारे branches भी है. Even rivers are also there. Ganga rivers is also there. The eternal city of Varanasi, है ना, वाराणसी में भी आप देखो जैसे वहाँ पे भी गंगा और वो सब बहती रहती है. The beautiful Sundarbans are also there, and the splendid Taj Mahal and the charming Khajuraho temples fall in this region. So particularly in this region, too many things you can see surrounding to yourself. Okay, so this one is the Indo-Gangetic plain. Okay, now next one is desert region. Yes, this desert region, you know very well that in India also, if we talk about the desert region wise, है ना, नानु रण અને મોટું રણ generally આપણે એવું કહીએ છીએ. Fine. So yes, anybody want to say something regarding this desert region? Okay, this region comprises of this Great Desert, and little desert. Nano ran and motu ran. Even Rajasthan also, in particularly Gujarat. है ना? Rajasthan and Gujarat falls in this place particularly, and the region is quite popular. है ना? જે આપણે કહીએ છીએ ને કે કચ્છમાં જે આપણે રણ જે જોઈએ છે, કચ્છ નહીં દેખા તો कुछ नहीं देखा, just like that. Okay, so this type of region you can also see that in particular Gujarat also, in Rajasthan also. The region is quite popular for its art and architecture wise also, and you can also see that these magnificent forts and palaces are also there. है ना? जैसे कि आप देखो पर्टिकुलर राजस्थान में बहुत सारे पैलेसेस आर ऑल्सो देयर. Too many palaces are there in particularly Jaipur, है ना? जयपुर, उदयपुर में अभी आप देखो, even Jaipur, it is also known as a pink city. Okay, so basically if we talk about this desert region wise also, it is also consist of all these great desert and little desert also, in particularly Rajasthan and Gujarat. You may see that these type of culture and these type of things are also there. And you may also observe that there are too many types of palaces are also there, in particularly Jaipur and Udaipur also, and too many forts are also there. Okay, now the last one is the peninsular religion of the south. As I already discussed with you, you may see that in the picture also. Basically, peninsular region, है ना? Peninsular region, it is basically consist of full of water, है ना? चारे बाजू તમે જોવો ને તો પાણી પાણી દેખાય. Fine. So basically in South India, and we can also say that southern peninsular region is surrounded by the mountains also. Even आप उसमें भी देखो, it is also consist of mountains as well as too much water is also there. बहुत दूर दूर तक आप जाओगे तो वाटर ही वाटर दिखेगा, फिर आजू बाजू में जो भी है लैंड, वहां पे आपको कुछ माउंटेन जैसा दिखेगा. ओके, सो इट इज सराउंडेड बाय द माउंटेन्स, एंड इन द नॉर्थ लाई द विंध्या, है ना? पहले विंध्या पर्वत कहिए ना, विंध्या पर्वत की गिरिमाला, जस्ट लाइक दैट. विंध्या एंड द अदर माउंटेन्स रेंजेस आर आल्सो देयर, एंड दैट सेपरेट the Deccan from the northern plains. Okay, so this is generally from the geographical area. And in the geography also, you may also observe that these type of topics are also there. So this is just a brief introduction about this peninsular region of the south. Now, if we talk about the diversity in India, see, generally we have discussed about these various types of region wise also, desert, Indo-Genetic plain wise also, even mountain ranges, Great Himalaya mountain ranges wise also we have discussed. Even dress style is totally different from each other, state to state wise also. Even we have also seen the cultural diversity is also there. Even we have also seen this one, the languages wise, it is totally different. And even religion wise also, we have seen too many things. Okay, so generally if we see that all these things comes into the diversity of Indian society. There are diversity. See, generally in your examination also, what do you mean by diversity? These type of questions can be asked. Or else we can also see that they explain the terminology of this diversity in Indian society in terms of languages, religion, region, even races, even geographical area wise also. You can explain. Now, the last point is also left regarding this diversity of climate. Okay, generally if we talk about the climate wise also, है ना? Generally हम ऐसा ही बोलते हैं कि climate. तो if we talk about the climate, generally we can talk about the season wise. Different types of seasons we can observe. We also feel that also various types of the seasons are also there in particularly India. I'm not talking about the Western countries. Okay, so particularly in India, we are talking about India. India is major has the three main seasons: monsoon, summer, and winter. Okay, And yes, generally we can see that the monsoon comes under the June to October. Generally, these are the months in which the monsoon comes under. And these are mainly two types of monsoon pattern. The south-west mountain, that is June to October, and northeast mountain from October to December. So monsoon generally in this type of region, you may see that during these to this month. Okay, summers and winters. Yes, summers and winters, you may see that it is also general comes under the April month to June month. Okay, April से June में in which basically summer आता है, fine. And even winter also October to March. Even you may also see that in the picture also. Diversity of climate one, है ना? So as a part of this climate one, generally we can talk about the various types of seasons which we can observe, which we can feel during the whole year. Generally winter also comes, and spring, है ना? वसंत ऋतु कहिए ना, ते वसंत ऋतु is also comes. Even summer is also come, and autumn. Okay, autumn means generally पानखर ऋतु कहिए न ते गुजरातीમાં पानखर ऋतु. So generally we feel that this type of seasons are also there, but basically these three seasons we feel that. Okay, and yes, if we talk about this diversity of climate one, all these seasons can come. Now if we talk about the diversity of climate two, no, climate too, it is totally different. Okay, because see, India is considered a subcontinent, as it geographical quite, it's a very large country. Okay, so it is a very large country. It consists of too much population is also there. So आप हर एक state में भी आप जाओगे तो your climate is totally different. इवन आप जैसे देखो कि 100 किलोमीटर अगर आप पास करते हो या फिर 400 किलोमीटर आप पास करते हो, सो देयर क्लाइमेट इज टोटली डिफरेंट, है ना? जैसे कि हजारों किलोमीटर्स के बाद आपको कुछ टोटली अलग ही क्लाइमेट दिखेगा. Fine. So India is a very large country, and it is considered as a subcontinent because it is geographical totally different. Okay, even because of this geographical vastness is also there. You may see that in the screen also, है ना? कि पिक्चर में भी आप देखो हर एक जगह पे एक ही ट्री है पर अलग अलग जगह पे climate is totally different from each other. So it looks very different. Okay, yes, different climates are also being experienced in different parts of this country, and each and every religion of this country is having a bit of difference in weather also. Weather भी totally different होता है, climate is also totally different. Okay, so in this context, if we talk about the example of this southern and northern India, basically as earlier I have already talked with you, yes, in southern India generally जो हम साउथ के स्टेट के बारे में बात करते हैं वहाँ पे जो क्लाइमेट होता है, so that is totally warm place is also there, है ना? वहाँ पे પેલું કહેવાય ગુજરાતીમાં હુંફાળું કહેવાય છે, હુંફાળું જે પ્લેસ કહેવાય છે, fine. But in northern India it is totally cold. यहाँ पे ठंडी भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है, fine. So even बारिश भी यहाँ पे बहुत होती है, fine. So in northern India it is totally cold, and in southern India it is totally warm place. The seasons of this country keeps changing, and mainly the 4 seasons are being experienced here, and 4 seasons are basically, they have divided among these 4 seasons: winter, summer, advancing monsoon, and retreating monsoon also. Monsoon के बाद भी जो आता है उससे पहले भी आता है, that is totally different. Okay, so they have divided among these 4 types of seasons also as a part of this climate too. So if we go through that, this one is the Indian culture, that is the website, and it would be also easier for these different types of religion also. It can be also divided among the tropical wet and tropical dry, है ना? उष्ण कटिबंधीय के ना कटिबंधीय, that is called the tropical wet and tropical dry also. Even subtropical humidity wise also, humidity is also there, बेजवाड़ी जग्या कहिए ना बेसिकली ते. So it is also divided among the different types of zone wise also, particularly zone wise the climate is also totally different. So it is differ from state to state, it is different from continent wise also, है ना? So basically if we divide them among the different types of climate wise, you may observe that there are so many types of that. Okay, tropical wet, tropical dry, even subtropical humidity wise also, even mountain wise also, alpine wise also, and arid wise also. Okay, so we're looking at arid level. So generally, what we can say that generally mountains
Humid
towards
climate.
yes है ना. So and that is the totally different types of climates are also there, so it can be also comes under the diversity of Indian society. Okay, so with this one our topic is over, and if you want to say something regarding this presentation you may also discuss with us also. And if you want to also raise some question, you may welcome. See, generally, as I already discussed with you, as a part of this examination also, if we get this type of opportunity to prepare the MCQs, among these MCQs, you may also observe that there are so many slides are there, and from those particular slides, we can also ask some of the questions. Okay, and general questions we can also ask, right? And if it is in a descriptive form, so these type of questions can come. What do you mean by diversity? And explain this terminology, the diversity of India. Or else we can also ask this type of question, ki, yes, explain this terminology in terms of religion wise, language wise, even culture wise also, dresses wise also, climate wise also. So we have just done the discussion in a very brief manner. So you can just go through it, and if you want to see in a very detailed manner, you can just go through this website wise also. In each and every slide, I have mentioned here in a blue color, so you can just go through it and get a very detailed manner. Okay, now yes, I'm taking your attendance. Okay, I have taken your attendance also. Yes, anybody want to say something regarding this presentation? Is there any questions, any doubts, anything you want to say something regarding diversity? See, as we have already discussed with you, this diversity in Indian society generally we can also say that it is related with the individual differences. वो आपने psychology में भी पढ़ा होगा, what do you mean by individual differences? Okay. As a part of these individual differences, as you know that yes, there are many people or many students are there in that particular classroom, and in classroom also the students are coming from the various backgrounds, because they are having different types of languages also, their methods are totally different, their background is totally different, even their culture, even their wearing style, everything is totally different, even their philosophy wise also. Yes, Kinjal, you want to say something? Kinjal? Who is there? Kusdaya. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask a question.
Yes.
Okay, how to relate these diversities to the education? Like हमने
Yes.
बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में जो है ये पढ़ा है कि वो टीचर्स स्टूडेंट का जो है ना रिलेशन उनके बारे में, बट यहाँ पे मैं वो इस्टेब्लिश नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ.
Fine. See, basically your question is related with the diversity, है ना? How we can relate with this education, है ना? Generally, how we can relate with this education, because diversity, it is a part of this education system, है ना? कि individual differences, as I already talked with you, individual differences is totally related with the child's psychology, है ना सर? हर एक बंदे की एक अलग अलग साइकोलॉजी होती है, हर एक की अलग अलग नीड्स होती है, वांट्स होती है. सो एज पर their ability, their creativity, their capability, we can organize something, or we can organize any type of activities or tasks, so we can relate with this education system. Okay, so as a part of this education system, this is also one type of topic which we can learn, and we can also relate with our education system. जैसे आप social study क्यों पढ़ते हो? Why you are learning this social study? Can you give me this any one reason for this one? Why we are learning this social study or social science? We can say that social science. Can anybody give me this answer of this question? Social science हम क्यों पढ़ते हैं? Yes.
To know our surroundings.
Ma'am,
Be
to know
aware of
our environment.
surroundings, world,
Okay, to know
India,
our environment.
knowledge.
Okay, fine. To know our environment. Anybody want to say something? Anything?
Ma'am,
Please.
ma'am, we live in a society. Ma'am, we
Okay.
live in a societal condition. So, for living in such an environment, we must know that how we have to behave, how we have to interact with others. That is
Okay.
the requirement.
Yes.
For adopting, ma'am. For adopting everyone.
For adapting everyone. For adapting everyone. Okay. So each and every situation is totally different.
Yes.
Okay. Somebody is also saying
इसलिए
that.
सोशल साइंस अडॉप्ट करना है, हमें लिव करना है, हमें हैबिटेट नहीं हो गए तो how we will survive. For surviving and adapting, we learn social sciences.
Exactly. So it is totally related with the with our existence wise also, because we are living in our society and we are the social men, we are the social living men. If we talk about the civics wise also, we can generally relate with our education system. Somebody is also saying that it is related with our surroundings. It is related with our environment in which we can live, because we are the living thing. Okay, and yes, Mariam has already told about this existence wise. Okay, now you have given all these answers. Okay, regarding environment also, regarding civics wise also, and regarding this existence wise also. Now you will give me the answer of these one, and all together how we can relate with this education system. How we can relate with this education system? ये सब तो हम पढ़ रहे हैं. Fine, because we know, and we can also create some awareness regarding this environment and existence and society also, even current issue also, current affairs also. But how we can relate with this our education system? Now
Ma'am,
tell me.
India is a country of diversity. We have so
Yes.
many different culture, religions, etc. If we'll not coordinate with each other, in the sense that different religions are there, cultures are there, so we
Yes.
have to understand and value each one of them.
Yes,
Then and
exactly.
then only we'll be able to progress in every aspect, whether education, health, or any other sense.
Any
That
other
way.
sense. Yes, you are in the correct direction. Fine. So your name is Subedar, na?
No, ma'am, that's my dad's name. This is Shobita.
Okay, Sobita.
My name is Shobita.
Yes, thank you very much. So you are in the correct direction. The same answer is also there. This Kusdaya. Yes, you have asked this question, how we can relate with this education system. Okay, so we
Yes.
can also, yes, exactly, whatever she has given these answer, that is the correct answer, because we can also make some awareness regarding that also. And through this education system, we can also come to know each and every aspect of our surroundings also. Because see, here we are the social beings, we are living in the society. Okay, so we can generally link with these our civics wise also. That's why we are learning the civics as a part of this social science. Okay, if we talk about the environment wise also, that's why we are also learning this geography subject also, as a part of the social science also. And if we talk about the existence wise also, as a part of this history also, and as a part of this historical background also, it is also totally related with the education society or education system wise also. So we can generally, whatever the aspects we are learning today itself, we can directly or indirectly link with our education system. And as I already talked with you also, okay, whatever the social changes are also there, whatever the issues or whatever the affairs are also going on right now nowadays, it is also connected with our education system. And because of that, our education system is totally reforming. That's why the curriculum is also changing every 5 years or every 3 years. इसीलिए change होता है ना, because of our wants and needs are totally changed, our demands are totally changed, and we can relate with that also. That's why we are learning this diversity. Diversity means diversity in terms of सभी हम include कर सकते हैं. Fine, कि culture भी हम include कर सकते हैं. We can also include some dresses wise also, even region wise also, and religion wise also, and we can connect with this education system. Okay, is it clear? Am I clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody want to ask something regarding this presentation? Any question, any doubt, query? No?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Can you show the third slide, please?
Okay. 1 second. This one, languages? Yes.
Yeah, no, ma'am. इसके बाद वाली. हाँ, ये वाली.
Cultural diversity. Okay, fine. You may take the screenshot. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Fine. Okay. Now I have given some time for asking any questions or doubts or queries also, and I think I was able to clear myself with your questions, and I hope that you are satisfied with my answer also. Okay, how we can connect or reconnect, or interconnect. We can also say that how we can interconnect with our education system and why we are learning all these things also. That's why I have given one example of this social science, because social science is also consist of too many areas. Civics is also there, even geography is also there, and history is also there. Okay, so why we are learning all these things? Because we can also connect with that also, and we can also get some awareness कि yes, पहले history में भी ऐसे कुछ राजा महाराजा हो चुके हैं, and they have also done so many things, so many functions are also there. So we can also make some awareness, even environment wise also, climate wise also, and even civics also, because we are living in the society, and it is related with the societal matters also. That's why we are learning all these things, and it also comes under this education system. So as a part of this education system, all these things we learn today itself, and we can connect with that also. Okay, so I think everything is clear with this. Okay, in the next class we will see then another topic as a part of this first subtopic. Third one is also left. So for the next time we will see at the same time on Monday. Yes, we will see the new topic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.